Today I want to show you what the lawlessness of Nigerians has been bringing upon them. Nigerians are notorious to be breaking laws. It's not like there are no laws in Nigeria, but people are not just ready to obey the laws. And this has been bringing different kinds of destructions of properties and even lives in Nigeria. In the video that I'm going to show you today, you're going to see how lawlessness brought destruction of lives and properties on Nigerians. The truck drivers, and I mean gasoline truck drivers in Nigeria, have been instructed on several occasions to always be careful when driving on Nigerian roads. But no, they are not going to do that. And because they are not ready to do that, many lives and properties have been lost since the beginning of this year, even to this particular moment, and it is still counting. Let me not waste your time. Let's just go ahead and see what the lawlessness of Nigerians can bring upon them. And as a matter of fact, this one happened just recently. I want you to see how lives and properties, what millions of dollars are destroyed just because Nigerians are not ready to obey the laws. Let's go ahead and see the video. I will see you after the video. Okay, so as you can see, the fire started from here, all because the tanker driver, which was driving at this particular road, would not drive carefully. The driver was reckless, and as a result of his recklessness, this happened. The report says that the driver lost his brake, and as a result, he could not control the vehicle, and somehow it fell off the road, and the fuel, the gasoline in the tanker, began to pour on the road. Now you can imagine, see other cars, other vehicles on that particular road. Imagine how they are burning. They are all on fire now, as you can see. Officials of the state police, a federal police, the firefighters, everyone is there right now trying to put out the fire, but the truth is, the fire is just so much. Imagine the vehicles that are burnt. Look at them. Just take a look at them. All this happened because of the recklessness of one person. That's the tanker over there. That's the vehicle. The gasoline carrying tanker. That's it, lying on the floor over there. Look at it. That's it. That's it. That's how it began. Now imagine. Look at all the destroyed vehicles and even lives that were lost to this inferno. All because somebody would not follow the law. Somebody would not obey the law. All because somebody was not careful enough while driving on the road. Somebody carrying inflammable material who was supposed to be very careful on the road. He failed to do that. Now see what it has resulted to. Imagine millions of dollars properties that have been lost. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it's beneficial unto you. If you enjoyed the video, I want you to please like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified whenever new video is available. If you have any comments or you have a specific requirement concerning a particular type of video you want me to create, please drop a comment and I assure you I will work on it. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and I hope to see you in my next video.